This is my first altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you. Apologies for my dog going crazy. The first altcoin that I've chosen to showcase to you today, guys, is a bit of VeChain. The reason why I've chosen to showcase to you because obviously we have set in this low from July before, and we've just been trending up continuously from there. Pretty good stuff, I would say. In terms of what we are seeing here, guys, we could be seeing, obviously we've got a falling wedge pattern coming through here, falling wedge pattern coming through there. They're not exactly valid at this point now, but what we could be looking for from this low point is some sort of ascending triangle pattern coming through there. As you can see, pretty dominant horizontal coming through there, guys. As you can see from here, this could be a humongous, I'm talking humongous breakout here for VeChain. And to be honest, VeChain's been asleep for quite a while. We do need VeChain to wake the hell up, because in terms of altcoins in general, guys, we've actually seen a lot of recovery coming back to like all-time highs, that sort of area, at least like even 10% lower than all-time highs. Whereas VeChain has just kind of been asleep, not really been waking up. It's just been kind of stuck at this really crucial lower high point from that all-time high point coming through there. But yeah, if we are looking for a nice big breakout for VeChain, this is the measure move that we are going to be looking for, guys. It's going to be big. It's going to be huge. It's going to be 70.87%. Pretty goddamn crazy in my opinion. We're taking a nice leg up at the moment, actually around 5.91%. It's interesting stuff to see that coming through there. So yeah, this is the breakout scenario to be looking out for VeChain for the future. We could see some sort of rejection coming through yet again and then bouncing in this sort of range area before we have a breakout. But this is just obviously the daily, guys. This isn't going to be happening overnight. This could be happening by the end of the year, that sort of scenario here. As you can see, in terms of the time frames at the bottom of the screen, we've got December. We're coming through to January there. So yeah, quite a long period, probably quite a long trade to be holding there, guys. But yeah, just something to keep in your back pocket for the future. Humongous continuation pattern, humongous breakout scenario to be looking out for. Moving on to the 4-hourly chart here for VeChain, because there's quite a lot going on, I must say. I would be inclined to say some sort of trend line coming through from that, like so, guys. And also I would say another trend line coming up like so. It's looking quite a messy chart right now. And let me get rid of some of these. Get rid of some of these trend lines. You can see obviously the volume is gone absolutely crazy coming through here. Obviously from that insane dump to the downside yesterday, fizzling right down to this low point now, which to be honest is probably the best scenario, letting us chill out, letting us relax for a bit. You've got this this gray box zone from the very crucial lower highs from the May crash coming through there. So this is a very, very crucial reversal point to be looking out for. And to be honest, guys, you can see here we are in a rising wedge pattern. So if we are looking for any sort of shorter term trade here, we're probably going to see some rejection coming through from the major moving averages, and then there could be a breakout scenario to the downside here for VeChain. Obviously, not the best scenario coming through from here, but to be honest with you, if we are going to be spotting this breakout, we're going to be looking for some sort of measure move, some sort of position, some sort of gain coming through there, because we're here to make money. It's as simple as that. In terms of percentages for this breakout to the downside for VeChain on the midterm here, it's going to be around... It's going to be around a 14% short position there. Pretty crazy stuff. To be honest with you, I probably would be waiting until we cleared this low here. In terms of this wick, I wouldn't be waiting until this low, because obviously you can see the buyback power there. I would probably be waiting until we cleared this 12 cents and 32. So that does drop the percentage ever so slightly there to around 11.55%. And then you know the score, guys. We stagger our take profits all the way down from there. So the first take profit for me would be this horizontal there, and that's going to be at $12 and... $12 cents and 10.5 there, and the next take profit is going to be at that 11.63 there, and then from there probably another one coming through around this zone. Guys, you know the reason why we stagger our take profits, because this is just a primal sort of this is just a perfect example here of how we bounced in terms of the price, right? And if we're going for the completion of this whole measure move at 11.55%. It's too greedy, guys. It's too greedy. If we're staggering our take profits all the way down, and then we basically take our stop loss, we move it to our entry. Sorry, that was wrong. We take our stop loss, we move it to our entry. Oh, that was right. Our entry point once we've hit our first take profit. It basically means if we have any sort of reversal here, guys, we're basically, yes, we're going to get stopped out, but it's still going to be a positive stop out at the end of the day. So yeah, not all bad. Pretty good. Little position to be looking out for that for the future for VeChain. On the 4 hour, let me jump to the hourly, because this is it's quite annoying because I did want to let you guys know about this breakout coming through here just before the stream begun. As you can see here, just under an hour ago, we did actually we were sat on the cusp of a breakout zone for this falling wedge pattern, guys. And we know falling wedges, they tend to usually break to the upside. So this is a very nice, clean example here of a nice measure move getting completed here. Very, very good stuff indeed in terms of percentages for VeChain there for this breakout scenario to the upside. We're around a 3.25%. So really, really good stuff coming through there. But yeah, that's pretty much covered here for VeChain. So yeah, thank you ever so much for watching that altcoin of the day, guys. Amazing stuff.